Have you ever wondered how your life would change if you started making $10,000 a month? You could afford a premium car, a new apartment, or travel the world. Today I have the opportunity to make 6 figures a month. This is my normal result. And my students, they are right on my heels, achieving incredible success by following my simple and clear strategy. I'm going to share it with you. All you need to do is follow a few easy steps and the result won't take long. Even if you are a beginner, you can do this. 2025 is your year of growth. My name is Nathan. I'm 31 years old and I've been a professional trader for the past 8 years. My articles are regularly published in leading financial media such as Forbes and Business Insider, where I share my market analysis and forecasts. And yes, by the age of 23, I had already bought myself a Ferrari and a house for my parents. Today, I'm going to show you my highly effective strategy and you'll definitely want it to try. It's incredibly simple, so simple that even a total beginner can understand it. Forget about complicated charts. You can learn and earn just by following my step-by-step system. This is an opportunity you can't afford to miss. Now, this is a crucial moment. Your first step. The very first thing you need to do is join my trading community. We already have over 21,000 members and most of them have already made their dreams come true. At some point, my students were exactly where you are now. But instead of just dreaming, they took action. And just in the last month, our beginners have achieved incredible results. Here's how it works. Every day, I go live and give clear, actionable steps on what to do. All you have to do is follow along. Sounds easy. That's because it is easy. No experience required, no complexities, just pure results. Important. Right now, access to my community is still free, but I can't guarantee I will stay that way forever. I personally guide each member at every step, and if my time becomes too limited, I will either close enrollment or make it paid. So don't wait. Click the link in the description below this video or in the pinned comment. Join my community and start earning today. This moment could change everything. While we're still thinking about it, others have already transformed their lives completely. Pause this video, click the link, sign up, and let's go! The most exciting part is ahead. Switching to the most important part of the video. I'm moving to trading. The platform is open and the amount I'm starting with is set. Now let's select the currency pairs I'll be working with. Perfect. Now let's configure an important indicator. Today I'll be using MACD. This indicator shows the difference between two moving averages of price on the chart. The MACD is based on trade analysis and helps traders determine when to open or to close trades. Let's set up the indicator. Adjust the line brightness and size. All settings are done. Now we can start. Looking at the chart. Let's stop at the New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar. I see that the price was in downtrend and then reversed. This is the first approach to a resistance level after the trend shift. Usually, when the price fails to break resistance, it pulls back downward, often leading to consolidation, where the price moves sideways near a level without a clear direction. In this situation, I'm going for a sell, expecting the price to bounce off the resistance and continues downward. Great start, everyone. Let's keep going. Checking the next setup. I see a rejection from a strong resistance level. This level has repeatedly stopped the price before, and during previous rejections, the indicator signaled a reversal. So I'm entering a sell trade, expecting the price to fail at the level again and move down. Awesome. We've secured a solid 20. Let's continue. Moving to the next pair. Setting 20. Looking at the chart. Alright, we're going up. I've spotted an impulse candle that broke the level and closed above it. The indicator is pointing up, confirming a potential trend continuation. I expect the price to keep rising. Let's watch how it plays out. Perfect. My technical analysis was spot on. Let's move on. Checking the chart. Let's stop here. Everything is clear. No hesitation, I'm entering a sell trade. The price was moving downward, then consolidated briefly before breaking lower. During this consolidation, local levels formed. When I saw a bearish engulfing candle, I decided to enter a trade, expecting the breakout of this local level and further downward movement. The indicator also confirms a bearish continuation, so this trade should go well. Excellent. No doubts here. This is my proven strategy and I trust it completely. Let's keep going. Look at these first results on the screen. What do you think? Impressive. I know, but it's actually simpler than it looks. Experience? Not needed. Connections? Not required. The only thing that matters is following a proven system, which I share in my trading community. You're still not with us? Seriously, what are you waiting for? The longer you hesitate, the more life stays exactly the same. Here's what you will find inside my community. Live trading sessions where I break down every step in simple terms, a clear step-by-step plan. Just follow it like a recipe. My personal support that will help at every stage. I started from zero too, but I discovered a system that works like clockwork, and now it's available for you. One catch: access to the community is still free, but spots are running out by the minute. You either act now or miss out. Click the link in the description or pinned comment, sign up and start making money today. Ready? Let's trade some more. I see a consolidation near a level on this pair. The price is gradually pressing against the level, which increases the likelihood of breaking out to the upside. In this situation, I'm buying, expecting the price to break the level and continue moving upward. Good, let's keep up the pace. Let's see what we have here. The price returned to a broken level for a retest. Once a level is broken, it turns into support. Now, after the retest, the price is starting to rise again. This is a great setup for an upward move, so I expect the uptrend to continue. This is my kind of trade. Let's go further. Here we're gaining altitude again. A local level was previously broken downward and the price returned for a retest. However, instead of bouncing lower, the price started to press against the level and closed above it. This signals that the market is preparing for further upward movement for a more global level. The price has successfully retested and started to rise, confirming my decision to enter a buy trade. Fantastic! We've already reached 501 and now we're moving into bigger numbers. I like this. Stopping at this pair. Everything is clear. Selling, because the price has reached a strong level around 0.63 and bounced off it. This confirms that the level is acting as resistance and there is a high probability that the price will continue downward from this point. Let's see how it plays out. Great. Now, this is the kind of result I like. Moving forward. What do we have here? Earlier, there was a false breakout downward, which often leads to a reversal and movement into opposite direction. This pattern signals a high probability of the uptrend continuing. Taking actions now. Alright, everyone, it's time for the final trade. And as always, I will set the maximum value to achieve the result I want. So, what do we see? There is a strong level around 96,000 that the price has tested multiple times but failed to break. Additionally, there is a trend line that the price has repeatedly tested. The indicator suggests that downward momentum is weakening. The histogram bars are getting smaller and then they reversed. The MACD lines are also pointing upward, confirming signs of a reversal. Everything signals an upward movement, so I'm entering a buy trade to ride the trend. Excellent! Look at the results we've achieved. My strategy has once again proven its effectiveness. How do you like the results? I think that went fantastic. But I have a serious question for you. What are you waiting for? You just saw my strategy in action. Precise, smooth, and effective, like a Swiss watch. But the most important thing isn't just what happened today. The real question is, why should you make a decision right now? The answer is simple. While you're weighing the pros and cons, others are already getting real results. You can keep postponing, waiting for the perfect moment. But do you know what's happening? You're missing out on opportunities that others are using right now to improve their financial situation. You don't want to stay stuck in the same place, right? Right now, you have a chance to become part of my trading community. Every day, I stream my live trades from start to finish. You will watch the process, learn, and follow the exact steps to get results. I'll personally guide you, answering any questions and helping you avoid mistakes. Access is still free, but spots are extremely limited. Can't accept everyone, so if you don't act fast, you might miss your chance. So stop hesitating. Pause this video right now, click the link in the description or pinned comment, and sign up. This is your chance to take the first steps toward the life you've always wanted. I'll see you inside the community, where I'll personally guide you through everything. Let's go!